Yeah. Before maps had borders, before dust knew roads, I was locked in the parent body. Pressure in the codes, no crown, no witness, no legend on display. Just ancient matter learning how to outlive decay. Born where the charge rules lost, edges is in the heat. Thermal metamorphism made equilibrium complete. Petrologic type 6 where crystallized grain. A furnace without firelight, chemistry without name. L group signature, ordinary by class. Yet ordinary means nothing when 4 billion years pass. Olivine held firelight 24.5. Ferromagnesia inscription keeping deep time alive. Low pyroxene F's 20.6. Whoa, 1.5 in the mineral mix. High phase carried another coded frame. Crystal ratios talking while the cosmos stayed unnamed. Metal meteorite in the microscopic braid. Finally intergrown textures from conditions long decayed. Nickel iron beside sulfide woven tight inside a geological cipher with no reason left to hide. Then collision wrote percussion through the lattice like drum shock. Stage S3, see what pressure becomes. Not total annihilation, still the fabric took scars. A compact archive catching violence between stars. Fracture, compression, momentum in the flash. Orbit broke cadence when the parent structure crashed. I left that ancient workshop with no passport, no plea, just a trajectory opening where gravity could see. Yeah. Vacuum kept the silence, cold miles kept score till atmosphere rose like a furnace at the door. Velocity met molecules, compression turned bright. Ablation stripped the surface through a hypersonic night. Outside, vitrified, dark fusion crust sealed. Heat painted the boundary while the interior stayed concealed. No witness fall entered any official line. The sky kept that chapter, Earth inherited the sign. Sonoran ground caught weight beneath the merciless sun. One solitary specimen, not fragments on the run. 6143 grams resting close to ore, while abandoned mining country slept beside the floor. January 30th, 2014. On the page of prospector search for gold, found a different kind of age. Funny how the richest thing wasn't yellow in the sand. Treasure isn't always metal somebody planned. I came carrying pressure that no scale could explain. A black memorandum written deeper than a vein. Not currency, not jewelry, not a glittering reward. I was planetary memory, waiting to be restored. Then the cut face open, laboratory lights awake. Thin section window show what naked eyes could mistake. Numbers turn mineral, textures turn testimony. Petrography translated an extraterrestrial chronology. Fighting the olivine F's inside the chain. Whoa, marking calcium where pyroxenes remain. Feldspar logged ornament and calibrated speech. Every polished micron put another epoch within reach. Phi over M gave ratios, analytical bars. Not mythology measurements reconstructing scars. 164 grams entered curated record space, while away for under optics carried evidence in place. Weathering grade W1, Earth barely touched the skin. Minor alteration after everything before had been. Desert residence tweaks but didn't overwrite the text. Terrestrial chemistry arrived comparatively next. L6, that label is a headline, not the whole affair. Equilibrated silicate, keep older processes there. A classification box can organize the stone, but microstructure tells you what the specimen has known. Read the ancient growth, read the grain, read the crust, read the strain. Every phase is evidence, every boundary leaves a trace. Deep time forensic work on matter falling out of space. No autograph required, no hero carved above. Only thermodynamics impact atmosphere and dust. I began beyond the desert where no human trail could run. Changed beneath internal heat long before this present sunlit ground. Survived collision, physics crossed an atmospheric gate. Reached Sonora carrying an unrequested date. They hunted for but fortune measured ounce by ounce. I answer with the history no market could denounce. Gold comes from a ledger, I came speaking through a slide. Minor rattling G on the mic with cosmic time inside. So call me La Cienega, add the letter in the frame. Official classification finally anchored to the name. Nothing group type 6, weak shock weathered, only slight diffusion coded. Witness from a journey out of sight. No prophecy, no fantasy, no fabricated glow. Just phase chemistry revealing what the specimen can show. From parent body furnace to a Sonoran finding zone. The universe dropped evidence, Earth picked up on stone.